Okay, good afternoon everyone. Sige, we will continue our conduit bending using 1/2 EMT pipe and using 1/2 EMT bender. So, ato naman ang na-mark earlier. Na tayo marking ana sa arrow. Atong marking is naa dire. Na-mark daw, makita ninyo kanang mark. Gitapat na ani nga arrow sa atong bender. Na arrow dire. Yan sa. Na arrow, muna tong arrow. Kanang arrow nakatapat atong mark dito. Muna itong mark ginay na nga, this is the 200 mm, minus 5 inches, kay 1/2 man ka bender, muna ni siya nga, minus 5 inches. Muna na itong final mark, nga itapat na to sa arrow. Okay? Once ato na ning na-align, that's the time, ready na to bend. Pag bend is, spread lang imong legs for balance, imong tiil, imong para balance ka, step ni mo diya, then dire din mo ibutang imong weight. At the same time, ang handle sa bender imo pong birahon, nga. So mag-exert po kag effort da imong force na po dia. Duha ka buk sa imong weight, sa imong tail ug sa imong kamot, okay? Okay, sige, you go bend. You can use the other hand po to help po. Sige. I-open imong legs kamay ana. Sige, 90. Okay? So, pag ma-90 ka, nakay ipatindog lang na diya. Okay, para makita ang bubble. Tanawon na to ang bubble if 90 na. Okay? So, kulang ang bubble to pa dito may kulang pag gamay. Sige, mas maayo mo sobra ka gamay kay dali naman mo adjust. Hop. Okay. Okay? So, na may bubble niya. Kulang pa. Okay, kulang pa. Sige, dugangit pa. Okay? Straight lang imong pag-bend, dili ta mag-bounce para dili mag-kink atong pipe, atong conduit, okay? So, I think that's okay. So, okay. Since we are already done with bending, now this is the time we will measure our, okay, remove the bend. So, as you can see, okay, it's already 90 degrees, okay? It's already 90. Okay, ang bubble. Kung just in case imong bending is not enough, you show it. You can use the handle of the bender, imong i-flip nimo, okay? I-flip nimo, ibalihon nimo siya. Then you can use this one to align if kulang imong pagbend or sobra. Pwede ra nimo push nimo this way or push nimo dito or birahon nimo padulong dito para to align lang perfectly. Since that is already okay, so no need na to align kay naka 90 naman sa daan. Ang atong next is atong i-check if nakuha ba ang atong 200 mm nga measurement. So hala like that. So you see nakuha ato atong target from the floor padulong sa atong target nga height nga 200 mm. Okay? So that's the way, that's the procedure, standard procedure in bending EMT using 1/2 pipe bender and 1/2 EMT. Okay, thank you for listening everyone. We will continue the video for the back-to-back stop or back-to-back 90, okay? Using the same pipe, okay? Thank you for listening. Keep safe and God bless.